page written, but I'm too afraid to send. I wrote you in the early hours when the world was fast asleep. Told you how I missed your laughter, how your silence cut too deep. I folded up the letter and sealed it with a kiss. Left it in a drawer somewhere where all my unsent letters sit. Every word I never told you still finds their way back to me. These are my unsent letters, all the things I couldn't say when we were together. Every truth I tried to hide comes spilling out in ink tonight. You'll never read the words I penned, but they haunt me every night. I write, I fold, I breathe again. My unsent letters. You on a Sunday morning when I could still feel you in my bed. Told you how the quiet hurt me, how I missed the words you never said. I tried to find forgiveness, but I just came up dry. Guess some scars only linger, they never truly heal. Every line I never sent still keeps tugging at my soul. These are my unsent letters, all the things I couldn't say when we were together. Every truth I tried to hide comes spilling out in ink tonight. You'll never read the words I penned, but they haunt me every night. I write, I fold, I breathe again. My unsent letters. I wrote one to me and addressed it, signed it with a trembling hand. Told myself to stop the pining, told myself to live again. Said you don't need his answers, you don't need what might have been. It's the only letter I've written that I might just send. These are my unsent letters, every lie, every hope I held together. All the hurt I have inside now pours out of me, finally free. You'll never read the words I penned, but I'm learning how my story ends. I write, I fold, I breathe again. My unsent letters. Another page written. This one's